Linux Mint is known for being one of the most beginner-friendly and stable Linux distributions available today. But here's something most people don't realize. Just because Linux Mint is secure by design doesn't mean you should ignore security and stability altogether. If you truly want your system to run smoothly for years without random crashes, malware scares, or broken updates, you need to follow a few essential practices. In this video, we're going to walk through 7 essential tips that will dramatically improve the security and stability of your Linux Mint system. These aren't complicated hacks or terminal-heavy tricks. These are practical, powerful habits and configurations that anyone can apply, whether you're brand new to Linux or you've been using Mint for years. Let's start with the foundation of everything: keeping your system updated properly. Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu, which itself is based on Debian, and that means it benefits from a very robust update system. But here's the mistake many users make. They either ignore updates for months, or they blindly install everything without understanding what's being updated. Linux Mint provides the Update Manager for a reason. It categorizes updates and clearly shows you what's being changed. Security updates patch vulnerabilities. Kernel updates improve hardware compatibility and fix bugs. Application updates fix crashes and add features. If you delay security updates, you leave your system exposed. If you avoid kernel updates forever, you might miss critical stability improvements. The key is consistency. Make it a habit to check for updates at least once a week. Open Update Manager, review the list, and apply updates systematically. Before major kernel upgrades, especially if your system is mission critical, create a system snapshot. That way you get the best of both worlds: up-to-date protection and a safety net in case something unexpected happens. Updates are not your enemy. Ignoring them is. That brings us directly to the second essential tip: use Timeshift like your digital insurance policy. Linux Mint conveniently includes Timeshift by default, and this tool alone can save you from disaster. Think of Timeshift as a system restore feature, but far more reliable than what many people remember from older operating systems. Timeshift creates snapshots of your system files, allowing you to roll back if something breaks. Installed a driver that ruined your graphics? Roll back. A bad update caused boot problems? Roll back. Experimented with system tweaks and now nothing works? Roll back. The power here is prevention. Set up automatic snapshots. Choose either RSYNC for most users or BTRFS if you're using that file system. Schedule daily or weekly snapshots depending on how often you change your system. Make sure they're stored on a drive with enough space. The peace of mind this provides is enormous. Many people only learn about backups after they lose data. Don't be that person. Stability isn't just about avoiding problems. It's about being able to recover instantly when problems appear. Now let's talk about something that surprises many new Linux users. Yes, you still need a firewall. Linux Mint includes UFW, the uncomplicated firewall, but by default, it may not always be enabled depending on your installation choices. A firewall acts like a gatekeeper. It controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on rules. Even if Linux is less targeted by malware compared to some other operating systems, you are still connected to the internet. Open ports can be exploited. Services can be probed. Enabling the firewall takes seconds. Open the Firewall Configuration tool, turn it on, and leave the default settings if you're unsure. By default, it blocks incoming connections and allows outgoing traffic, which is perfect for most home users. If you run servers or specific network services, you can create custom rules. But for the average user, simply turning it on already adds a powerful security layer. It's silent protection. You won't notice it running, but it's working constantly in the background. The fourth essential tip focuses on software sources and package management. One of Linux Mint's greatest strengths is its centralized software repositories. Unlike some other operating systems where you download random installers from websites, Linux Mint encourages you to install software from trusted repositories through the software manager or a PT. This dramatically reduces the risk of malware. The repositories are maintained and verified. Packages are signed. Dependencies are handled automatically. But problems start when users add too many third-party PPAs without understanding them. Every external repository you add introduces potential instability. Conflicting packages can break your system. Unmaintained PPAs can cause upgrade failures later. The smart approach is simple. Install software from official repositories whenever possible. If you must add a PPA, research it. Check if it's actively maintained. Remove unused PPAs over time. Keep your system clean. Stability loves simplicity. The fewer external modifications you make, the more predictable your system becomes. Next, let's address user permissions and administrative access. Linux Mint uses a privilege separation model, which is one of the reasons Linux systems are inherently more secure. By default, you operate as a standard user. Administrative tasks require sudo privileges. This separation prevents accidental system-wide damage. However, some users develop risky habits. They run commands with sudo without understanding them. They copy and paste terminal commands from forums without reading. This is dangerous. The power of sudo is enormous. It can modify or delete critical system files instantly. One wrong command can break your system. The essential tip here is mindfulness. Before pressing enter on a command that requires sudo, read it carefully. Understand what it does. If you don't understand it, research it. Also, avoid logging in as root or enabling direct root login. There's almost never a good reason for it on a personal system. Keep privilege escalation intentional and limited. That discipline alone dramatically improves both security and stability. The sixth tip revolves around disk health and system cleanup. Over time, even Linux systems accumulate residual packages, old kernels, and temporary files. While Linux Mint handles many of these automatically, you should periodically perform maintenance. Use the built-in update manager to remove old kernels. Keeping too many unused kernels consumes disk space. Use tools like BleachBit cautiously if needed, but avoid aggressive cleaning unless you know what you're removing. Also, monitor disk health using smart tools. Drives fail. It's not a question of if, but when. By checking disk health occasionally, you can detect failing drives early and replace them before catastrophic data loss occurs. Stability is deeply connected to hardware reliability. Software can only be stable if the hardware underneath it is functioning properly. The seventh and final essential tip is perhaps the most underrated. Be careful with system customization. Linux Mint is beautiful and highly customizable, especially with the Cinnamon desktop. Themes, extensions, desklets, applets, and third-party tweaks can transform your desktop into something unique. But every customization adds complexity. Some extensions may not be updated quickly after major desktop upgrades. Incompatible themes can cause visual glitches. Experimental drivers can introduce crashes. The lesson isn't to avoid customization entirely. It's to approach it strategically, add one extension at a time. Test stability. If something causes instability, remove it immediately. Keep a minimal and functional setup if you value reliability above aesthetics. Power users often learn this the hard way. The more you modify core components, the more potential failure points you introduce. Now let's go deeper into mindset, because security and stability are not just technical settings, they're habits. Linux Mint is already designed to protect you. It doesn't force updates in the middle of your work. It doesn't bombard you with ads. It doesn't run mysterious background services consuming resources. But user behavior still matters. Avoid downloading random scripts from unknown sources. Be cautious with email attachments. Even though Linux malware is rare compared to other ecosystems, phishing attacks are platform independent. A compromised browser session can cause damage regardless of operating system. Use strong passwords. Consider a password manager. Enable full disk encryption if you're using a laptop, especially if you travel. Physical access to your device can bypass many software protections if encryption isn't enabled. Let's also talk about kernel management briefly because it's closely tied to stability. Linux Mint allows you to install multiple kernel versions and switch between them. If your system is running perfectly, you don't need to jump to the newest kernel immediately. Sometimes newer kernels introduce regressions for specific hardware. On the other hand, if you're using new hardware and facing driver issues, upgrading the kernel can dramatically improve compatibility. The smart approach is balanced. Don't chase the latest kernel for no reason. But don't stay on an outdated one forever. Use Timeshift before switching. Test stability for a few days. If everything works smoothly, keep it. If not, revert. This flexibility is one of Linux Mint's greatest strengths. Another area worth mentioning is secure browsing. Your web browser is the most exposed application on your system. Install extensions wisely. Avoid shady add-ons. Keep your browser updated. Consider enabling DNS over HTTPS for additional privacy. These steps protect not just your Linux Mint system, but your digital identity. Many security breaches begin in the browser, not the operating system. Power management and thermal control also contribute to long-term stability. Overheating hardware can cause crashes and reduced lifespan. Ensure your system has proper airflow. Clean dust from fans periodically. On laptops, use power management settings wisely. Stable hardware equals stable software. Encryption deserves its own emphasis as well. If you didn't enable full disk encryption during installation, consider encrypting sensitive directories manually. While home users may feel they have nothing to hide, data theft can still be damaging. Banking information, saved passwords, personal photos, business documents, these are valuable. Encryption protects your data, even if the device is stolen. Let's also consider software minimalism. The fewer applications you install, the fewer potential vulnerabilities you introduce. Every installed program is additional code that could contain bugs. If you don't use an application, remove it. Keep your system lean. A lean system is easier to maintain and troubleshoot. Logging and system monitoring can elevate your stability awareness to another level. Tools like System Logs in the Logs application allow you to see warnings and errors. If your system is behaving strangely, checking logs can reveal underlying issues before they escalate. Learning to read basic log entries empowers you as a Linux user. Another powerful stability habit is separating your data from your system. Ideally, keep your home directory backed up separately from your system snapshots. Timeshift protects system files, not personal data by default. Use an external drive or cloud backup for your home folder. That way, even if your system becomes unrecoverable, your personal files remain safe. Network security can also be improved by changing default router passwords and keeping router firmware updated. Your Linux Mint system is only as secure as the network it's connected to. A compromised router can redirect traffic or expose devices. Finally, remember that stability is often about patience. When a new Linux Mint version releases, you don't need to upgrade on day one. Wait for initial bug reports. Let early adopters test it. When you do upgrade, read the official release notes carefully. Follow recommended upgrade paths. Rushing upgrades is one of the most common causes of instability. When you combine all these habits, consistent updates, reliable backups with Timeshift, an active firewall, cautious repository management, responsible use of sudo, hardware monitoring, controlled customization, secure browsing, encryption, minimal software installation, log awareness, proper backups, network hygiene, and patient upgrades, you transform Linux Mint from a good operating system into an incredibly resilient computing environment. The beauty of Linux Mint is that it already gives you the tools. You don't need advanced cybersecurity knowledge. You don't need to be a system administrator. You just need awareness and consistency. These 7 essential tips aren't about fear. They're about empowerment. They ensure that your system runs smoothly, securely, and predictably for years to come. If you apply even half of these practices, you'll notice fewer crashes, fewer surprises, and more confidence in your machine. And that's the real goal. Technology should serve you, not stress you. Linux Mint, when managed wisely, delivers exactly that experience. Quiet reliability, strong security, and total control over your digital world.